morning, I'm Avishka Tadani, your tech host, and the bulletin of the day starts with Google to launch Gemini 2.0 AI model in December, faces performance challenges. Google's AI system product Jarvis to automate web browsing by December. Apple to announce M4 chip-powered Macs and AI features. PM Modi inaugurates India's first private military aircraft. CERT-In warns against cyber fraud, tips to stay safe online. Indian robotics innovator Sunny joins PM Modi on Austria visit. iPhone SE4 rumored to launch in 2024 with major upgrades. Now, in the previous quiz, we asked you what is the primary language of Android development. The answer is Kotlin. It's time for our daily tech quiz. Here's today's question: what is the full form of USB? We would also like to acknowledge @Shubhamoy Roy, ETCE, for answering the question correctly. Confident you've got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below and tune into tomorrow's news bulletin to find out if you nailed it. Stay tuned. Moving ahead with the first news, Google is set to release its next AI generation model, Gemini 2.0, in December 2024, following the launch of Gemini 1.5 earlier this year. However, reports suggest that the model isn't meeting the performance expectations of the Google DeepMind team. Led by CEO Jarvis, Google initially launched Gemini 1.0 and 1.0 Pro in late 2023. Meanwhile, other tech companies like OpenAI, xAI, and Meta and Anthropic are also gearing up to unveil their advanced AI models soon. Google has also announced Project Astra, an AI-powered assistant capable of answering user queries through text, audio, or video, but a release date is yet to be confirmed. Astra is seen as a significant step in the company's AI developments aimed at enhancing user interaction and productivity. Now we have Google, which is working on an AI system called Project Jarvis, designed to automate web browsing and handle tasks like online shopping, research, and booking flights. Expected to launch in December, Jarvis is powered by Google's upcoming Gemini 2.0 AI model, which enhances human-like text understanding and generation. This system will allow users to interact with web browsers by clicking buttons, inputting text, and even interpreting screenshots. While this AI focuses on automating browser tasks within Chrome, and other companies like Anthropic and Microsoft are also exploring similar technology. Project Jarvis aims to boost user productivity by handling routine tasks, making it a key step in Google's AI evolution. Now, Apple is set to make announcement this week, including the launch of its M4 chip-powered Macs and the first batch of Apple Intelligence feature. Expected updates include the iOS 18.1 release, bringing new AI tools for writing assistants, photo editing, and Siri enhancement to select iPhone, Macs, and iPads. However, these features will only be available on devices with M-series chip or newer processor. Apple will also likely to unveil new MacBook Pro, MacBook Mini, and 24-inch iMac models, offering performance boost with M4 chip. Apple is inviting media for hands-on product briefing, making this an exciting week for tech enthusiasts. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, alongside Spanish PM Pedro Sanz, inaugurated Tata Advanced Systems Limited C295 aircraft manufacturing facility in Vadodara, Gujarat. This marks India's first private sector assembly line for military aircraft. The facility will assemble 40 C295 transport planes for the Indian Air Force, replacing the aging Avro 748 fleet. Of the 56 ordered planes, 16 will be delivered fully assembled from Spain and rest will be made in India. The plan will also support local production, with 13,000 of the 14,000 aircraft parts to be made domestically. This move supports India's push for the defense self-reliance, with India's first made aircraft expected by 2026. Now, the Indian Computer Emergency Response Team, CERT-In, issued a public advisory warning people about various online scams. This came on the same day Prime Minister Modi discussed these issues during his Mann Ki Baat broadcast. The advisory highlighted scams such as digital arrest, where criminals pretended to be government officials and threatened arrest unless victims send money. Other scams include phishing emails, fake lotteries, job frauds, tech support hoaxes, and emotional manipulation on dating apps. CERT-In urged people not to give in to pressure tactics and emphasized that real government agencies will never demand money over the phone or via messaging apps. The advisory also warned against sharing personal data online and stressed the importance of staying vigilant to avoid falling victims to these frauds. Now, Sunny, founder of Swift Robotics, represented India in booming robotics sector during Prime Minister Modi's July 24 visit in Austria. Sunny's company, known for pioneering automation in manufacturing and logistics, joined leading Indian businesses like Tata Motors in showcasing India's technological advancement. This visit highlighted Swift Robotics' role in industrial automation, focusing on sustainable, adaptive solutions for global industries. The Indo-Austrian delegation aimed to foster collaboration in fields like AI and robotics, opening doors for joint research and business opportunities. Swift Robotics' participation reflects India's growing influence in the global market and commitment to now, Sunny, founder of Swift Robotics. Now, rumors suggest that Apple's SE4 will launch soon, featuring significant update. The iPhone SE4 is expected to come with a 6.0-inch OLED display, Face ID, and powerful A18 chipset similar to iPhone 16. It will reportedly have a 48MP rear camera, 12MP front camera, 8GB RAM, and 128GB of storage. The battery capacity is expected to increase to 3279 mAh, supporting MagSafe charging through the 20-watt charging speed remains unchanged. The price is rumored to range between $499 to $549, a significant jump from the Apple's iPhone SE3's price. Apple's budget-friendly model is expected to be a hit for users seeking premium feature at a lower cost. This was it for today's news. Stay tuned to IT Voice for more such tech updates.